What is shop here?
How you doing, brother?
Yeah, monkey was shop. This shop here. Monkey open in Bali from Madura. In Bali, Kuta.
Thank you so much. How you doing, guys, today? I hope so you're keeping well. I'm today in Legian, actually in the traffic junction of Jalan Legian, which is this one, Jalan Nekula over here, Raja Seminyak and Arjuna over here. And today I will walk till very end of Jalan Legian, till very end, and then finish my vlog somewhere in Kuta Square, or at least in the area like that, and we will see how is the situation, how is the condition in Jalan Legian, in Legian Kuta now, second week of September 2020. Stay tuned, guys. I hope so you will enjoy it. I will walk today, show you guys how it is around. Maybe it will be something interesting, maybe some people wanna talk to the camera or something. We will see, let's see. Stay tuned, guys.
Watch out, 'cause I know the brink's coming. I know the brink's coming. Know the brink's coming.
Just passing the Ibis hotel over there, seems to be open, that's cool. Almost everything is closed, like a few weeks ago, like last time actually, not much has changed. However, I noticed some local shops with the accessories clothes, stuff like that are open. Same like one over here, somewhere here I will show you. So it's going well. And the tea salad. Just to remind you guys, I'm still going into Jalan Legian Street all the time into Kuta Square direction. Whenever I see something interesting or some more popular spot, I will show you guys, so stay tuned. I'm just passing the post office over here. That actually brings me some memories, because when I first time been in Bali, and I used to stay in Tuban, close to the airport in Kuta, and I was looking for a post office to send a postcard to my mom, you know, to Poland, and I finally found the one here in Legian. So I walked from the Kuta, from Tuban, over here just to send the postcard. Could you imagine that? But that was the very first time I was in Bali. Yeah. this shop is open, but this shop, where is it? This one is for rent, and this one is closed. And over here is bright, but over here is the Balinese gate, is the wedding over there. I will show you now. Some businesses are closed. Most of the businesses is closed. I could say 90%. Just very few are open. Even the money changers are closed. Even the vineyard shop with the alcohol is closed. So that's how it is. I'm not sure if I already talked about that, but from the last week is the new rule in Bali. If you don't have a masker with you, you're gonna get a fine, 100k. Which is $7 American dollars, and or the business owner, like a shops or the restaurant, if I don't have a masker, they will get a fine 1 million rupiah. Yeah, that's the interesting fact about that. But behind me is the Padma Street, this one. Padma, I make a vlog in Padma last week, so if you didn't saw yet, I will blink here or here, or something like that, and you can see that, and that's how it looks, the situation over here. In general, how I walk now, I can see as the North Legian, which is close to the Seminyak, is more busy on the streets and everywhere, because it's the main junction into the Seminyak road, Jalan Kula, Jalan Arjuna, which is a double six beach if you go by Jalan Arjuna. So the area is more busier because of that, but the Legian itself it's super quiet, to be honest. It's nothing is changing. Now it's 5 o'clock p.m. So supposed to be quite a lot of people. And check this out, the path behind me is just empty, as the road as well, not much busy. Alright, I will show you now more. I'm passing now the Mercure Hotel, so I'm on the kinda halfway of Jalan Legian.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Get this one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
Past the Jalan Melasti and still on the Legian Street, Bella Italia restaurant. Everything is closed here. Here is the hotel, I forgot the name. It's closed. Yeah, everything is closed. Yes, hello. No, 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 no shopping, no shopping, no.
10.000.
Oh, 10.000, I know, so cheap, but I can't. No, 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 oh, no. Thank you so much, thank you. Thank you, no, no, thank you so much.
10.000.
Oh, sorry, thank you. Oh my god, she catch my hand and like here on my wrist, and she pulled me over. Normal thing, right? But have to watch that. Hi, how are you, my friend?
How are you, boss?
Oh, I'm very well.
Good, nothing very quiet, brother, in Bali, brother.
Very quiet, yeah?
Yeah.
How is your business?
No good. Get on something, brother. Limon, brother. Cheap, brother.
Nice bags, very cheap.
Yeah, this one like that, 100.
100 only.
Yeah, 100,000, brother. Good price. Hey.
Alright, take care, guy, yeah?
Hang on, boss. Hey.
Have to go.
You have small money, $1, brother.
Take care, guy.
Bye. You have small money, brother.
Yeah.
Brother.
So basically that's how it is when you walk with the big camera on the empty Legian street and something is open, like this guy. You know, it's for me to show his shop is nothing. It's not a big problem. I cannot buy everywhere I see something. Circle K is closed even, and over here the shop is for over contract. This is the main already road to going to Kuta. Everything is closed over here. Some shop is open over here. Actually, before I gonna go, I just wanna tell you, when I already passed his shop, he asked me to give me small money, $1. This is typical thing in Bali Kuta Legian streets. When it's a lot of people, they are like more easier for them. But I just make a short video of him, and now everybody are talking to me. I have to go. But that's how it is. At least it's something happening and some business are open, right?
For the record.
Interesting fact, Ripco company, they never closed actually. I don't think so, as they have much customers because it's quite pricey brand and everything. However, they never closed. Guardian Pharmacy is closed. All mini marts behind me are closed, and probably they will close forever, but I'm not sure. And some shops over here are open. Hello, brother. Yeah, so that's how it is. Alright, I just passed accidentally. This is the famous Mama's over here. Mama's restaurant. It's closed. So sad. So the Mama's restaurant is the German restaurant in Legian. It's one of the most famous restaurants in Legian, in this area. Previously open 24/7, if I'm not mistaken. And it's also one of the oldest, most famous and oldest restaurants in this area, with the German food, obviously. So many places to rent. The place behind me is for over contract for 7 years. A lot of places is just closed. Over here the bar is open. What's the name of the bar? The Pad Bar is open but empty. And sandal shop, like always, open.
It's still twisting.
here chilling. I just passed Legian club. This is brand new club, new bar, very huge. I used to be with Winny last week as well. It's very close to Grandma. Somebody asked me as I didn't show the location. It's just 100 meters after the Grandma's into the Kuta direction. Sorry. It's open every single day. It's super quiet and super big. And now I'm passing the Adidharma cottages and obviously Love Hotel over here. Love Hotel seems to be open. But even if it's open, it's super quiet, obviously. Yeah, that's how it looks, the situation over here. The one Legian behind me and the Starbucks over there and the deck restaurant remains open but completely quiet. Nobody's there. Generally super quiet, but even like this place supposed to be full of people is just quiet.
What is shop, yeah?
How you doing, brother?
Yeah, monkey was shop. There's some monkey open in Bali from Madura, in Bali, Kuta.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I don't want anything, but I showed your shop, okay?
Yeah, this shop, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Dengar?
Yes.
Hey, open. Yeah.
So, making a vlog in Legian is super funny stuff. I really enjoy it. So funny, I strongly believe that we'll be super busy, we'll be more happy than now. However, even the situation is very not super optimistic, I could say. People are still very optimistic, at least they enjoy however it is. And that's the most important thing. It's nothing to be now the worst thing what you can have is getting into depression mode. That will be very bad. But if you just enjoy and accept how it is, yeah, fine. Alright, so some kids playing the skateboard before. Now I'm very close to the Selavi and the Kuta Memorial, Bomb Memorial. Behind me a famous bintang. Open, very good. And yeah.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. Hold up. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Memorial point after the bombing in Kuta in 2002. Few local people making pictures, like every single day the same. Salabi. It's quiet, very quiet. me is famous Sky Garden. Officially I cannot record this for many reasons. Last time the army came to me, however it's closed and probably will be closed for many years. But probably you guys curious, so I'm trying to show you guys. I wanna have a drink somewhere in the bar, maybe Bounty is over here, but I'm not sure if it's open. Or Paddy's, I think the Paddy's is open. Let's see, let's try something. I strongly believe as many of you guys miss the Bintang, I will have it for you so you can enjoy it. Oh, so sad. I really wish to have a drink with you guys, but seems like even I don't want to have a drink because it's still closed. Yeah, it's closed. Closed. I don't know if it's still closed, but it's closed. Here we go. At least this is the logo of Bintang. Oh my god, so sad. Past one guy on the warung, he was selling something like some accessories. Here is famous LXXI, the new club, closed. Actually I was planning to have a drink, Bintang, in one of these famous clubs, but it's closed. Selavi is open, but I was there last time, I don't wanna make a shots again there. However, I just met one guy on the street and he just catch my hand again and saying please buy something, $5. I don't know if this is the new tactic or is they really screw up. I think they are really screw up. So sad, but what I can do, right? That's how it is. Hello brother. How you doing?
Yes.
All good, yeah?
Good.
Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how it is. Many people offer me to ride a motorbike. That's good, because when I arrive to Kuta Square I need to find a guy like this and go through Jalan Nekula, because I left the bike there. It's 3.5 kilometers and it's super hot, could you imagine? Here is the famous Uluwatu shop. Yeah, but I think I will take the taxi car or grab car or something like that, because I prefer don't drive with someone else, random person on the bike, because first I have a big camera with me, second this stuff and things, you know what I mean? However, probably will be fine. How are you?
Bagus.
Bagus.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Poland, Europe.
Holland.
Alright. Very quiet, yeah? Yeah. Okay, take care, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you know man.
Stay safe, yeah? I just passed the Kuta Legian Square. I mean not square, the junction. Sorry, I got disturbed because these people, they always try to talk with you, but after asking you for $1 or $2 or €2 now. And yeah, however, now I'm walking into Kuta Square direction, and that's how it is. That's how it looks, the yeah, what should I say? Sorry, I got a little bit distracted. So basically I'm on Jalan Pantai Kuta, like 150 meters from the Kuta Square, and the situation here is like how it is. It's just quiet, right? Hello.
Hello.
Some kids. Generally people are friendly, but like in Kuta. And now I will go to Kuta Square. I will show you a few shots in Kuta Square, and I will have to try to grab some car, taxi probably, and I will go to back for my bike. However, as you can see, when I'm walking, it's super quiet. Guy over here with this car selling oranges, 5k per kilo. This is local price in Kuta. That's how it is. And super quiet, everything is closed. Yes, Kuta Square just arrived. So Kuta Square is there. I will walk now, and behind me over here is the Kuta beach. And I will walk there, I will show you guys around, and we will see. It's also very quiet, as you can see, as even the cars parking here. Normally another place for rent. Normally over here is the only bikes parking, and sometimes even it's difficult to park the bike. Now the cars, no problem. Here is the space you can park. 60-70% of businesses closed here, however some are open, and there's no even taxi. Bluebird taxis, they are not driving, so will be a little bit problem for me to find the transportation now. And it's also no people with the motorbikes here. Yeah, but I will find something. And yeah, that's how it looks, the situation over here. It's getting to be dark. It's sunset soon. What time is it, by the way? It's 20 to 6 already, so yeah. I'll show you guys around. Here in Kuta Square the situation is not the most optimistic, I could say, because Matahari Mall is closed. And McDonald's is closed, so if McDonald's is closed, that means it's something not right? You know what I mean? Super quiet. How is the taxi driver? We will see. That's not the taxi, that's actually only guy with the blue Avanza and sticker on the window is his taxi. You have to always be careful about that. I prefer walk. We will see. Before I gonna go, I will have a bean tank in this place overlooking the Kuta Square, so I will make some nice time lapse and enjoy the beer. You can really try with me, right? Here we go. I hope so, it's open. I got my bean tank, what I promised you guys. I will drink, enjoy it. Cheers, guys. And this is the Kuta Square. I will make some time lapse. Cheers. Just ordered the grab, 18,000, which is not so bad, but it's the Gusta Nurihagus, which is Balinese guy. I'm so proud to help to the Balinese people, and I'm so proud as they driving the grab instead just sitting on the street and asking for money. So I hope so he speaks English a little bit, so I will make some interview with him. How is the situation and how many customers he have. Meanwhile, this is the current situation. What is the... No, it's not his car. This is the Kuta Square. Okay. Yeah, thank you, brother. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. How are you, brother?
Good.
All good, yeah? Apotek, farmia.
Pharma.
Apotek, yeah.
Tomia Pharma.
Yeah, in the Jalan Nekula, yeah?
Yeah.
See now in every Grab car or Gojek car you will have the plastic here, hand sanitizer, tissue, super safe, great job. They really take care of the hygiene and the health protocols now. That's why I decided to go by car. Oops.
You want it only you.
Okay, yeah, matur sukses baba ya. It's pay by debit card, okay?
Okay.
Ya, makasih.
Okay. Yeah.
I just arrived back to my bike. My helmet is still here. I'm so happy. The driver was super nice. He was Balinese. Unfortunately, he didn't speak English and he was very shy. But the guy was very nice. He was a little bit sad as he didn't open me the door on time. I said that's no worries. It's really not a problem at all. And I will go home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed my vlog today from Legian. It took me like 2 hours of walking. I hope so you enjoy it. Like always, don't forget to subscribe if you are new on the channel, because we do vlogs every single day at 7 PM Bali time. And like always, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Like, share, comment, and see you tomorrow. Something new, like always. See ya, guys.